If you're serious about living longer, you need to hear this. Personal training isn't just for athletes. The journey to longevity starts with a single step, literally. Regular exercise, guided by a personal trainer, can help you build strength, improve flexibility, and boost your cardiovascular health. And guess what? It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling great and living longer. Think of your personal trainer as your very own health coach. They tailor workouts to your specific needs, keep you motivated, and ensure you're doing exercises correctly to avoid injury. Plus, having someone to hold you accountable can make all the difference. Studies show that consistent physical activity can add years to your life. So why not invest in yourself? Personal training isn't just a workout. It's a lifestyle change that promotes longevity, vitality, and overall well-being. Remember, the best time to start is now. Your future self will thank you. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get moving and live longer with personal training.